Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to set up and connect an OLED display to an Arduino. This OLED module uses organic LEDs to show bright and high contrast text and graphics. It's lightweight and power efficient and connect easily to microcontroller like Arduino and ESP. Let's begin assemble to setup. In this tutorial, we are already placed a few components on the cardboard and connected the jumper wires to position the OLED screen onto the breadboard. The Arduino board is securely placed on the cardboard position close to the power supply unit for easy access. This is the socket designed to hold lithium-ion batteries providing power to the circuit. Next, I have placed the buckboard on the cardboard to ensure the stable power. I have also connected the battery power supply through the switch. I have connected the buckboard positive and negative output wires to the breadboard to supply a 5 volts output for the display. The battery's positive and negative wires are connected directly to the breadboard, supplying 7 volts power to the Arduino. Now let's move on to the testing the display with the Arduino. Now the batteries are securely placed into the socket and we will turn on the power before starting the assembly. As you can see, when the switch is flipped on, the LED on the buckboard lights up, indicating that the power supply is active and functioning correctly. This confirms that the circuit is ready for the next step in our setup. Now position the OLED display on the breadboard so it can communicate with the Arduino Uno. From this point onwards, pay close attention as we connect the necessary pins from the OLED display. Now connect the SCL pin to the Arduino's A5 pin and the SDA pin to A4. Then connect the display's power pin to the dedicated 5 volts and ground lines on the breadboard, which are supplied by the buckboard. Connect the VCC pin to the Arduino's VIN pin and connect the ground to the ground line on the breadboard. Make sure the Arduino is receiving at least 12 volts of the input power. With everything is placed, our hardware setup is complete now. Let's dive into uploading the program. Before uploading your code, ensure that your Arduino IDE is set up with the necessary libraries. You can install these directly from the Arduino Library Manager. Once your libraries are installed, configure the board settings. Go to the Tools and select Board and select Arduino Uno board. Now select the correct COM port under Tools port. Now plug your Arduino Uno into the computer. Click the Upload button to transfer the code to the Arduino board. If successful, you will see a message confirming the upload at the bottom of the IDE software. Your board is now programmed and ready to execute the uploaded code. Now that the code is uploaded and the module is powered on, let's take a closer look at the OLED display output. As you can see, ready animation appears first, coming that the display is initializing correctly. The system information slides follow showcasing key details about the Arduino Uno and OLED display. These are displayed only once at the starting time. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and share to stay updated with more exciting projects. Thanks for watching.